Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can do a line rhythm section. So let's get started. So right here, what you'll need to do is get some speed because you will need to collect all those bearings. There's no time limit, so don't worry about that. Here we can do some tricks, and here you'll need to 360 spin like this. And now you'll need to do some grabs. So here
Start over.
Here you can do some grabs, and as you can see, like this. Now you will need to get some speed. Well, of course, stay on the board. So let's get started right here. You can now do grabs like this. And don't worry about all of those. And get some scores, so 1300. So it is easy, I showed how you do that. And just keep on trying. So that's pretty much it. As you can see, like this. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one.
Let's give it
Peace.
another go.